Welcome to your 5-minute heart coherence breathing session. If you've been searching for a way to reduce stress and bring your mind and body into balance, today's session is for you. In this breathing practice, we'll synchronize our breath and heart, creating harmony and calm within. This simple yet powerful practice is designed to reduce stress and improve your emotional balance. The breath will be in and out of the nose for the count of 6. Let's practice together. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just follow the rhythm of my breath throughout the session, and we'll be breathing for about 5 minutes. And end with a meditation to let the practice sink in and reap all the benefits. Coherence breathing reduces stress, balances emotions, boosts focus and clarity, enhances heart health, strengthens the immune system, and more. It's amazing for managing anxiety, and you can come back to this as many times as you need to throughout the day. Now, feel free to lay down or find a comfortable seat with your spine tall. Relax your shoulders and allow your hands to rest gently on your knees. Close your eyes and let's begin. Start by exhaling all of the air out of your lungs, and we'll begin in 3, 2, in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remembering to breathe in and out of the nose, 5, 6, feeling your belly expand with each inhale, 3, 4, and picture the breath flowing 6, in and out of your heart like a soft wave. 4, 5, 6, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep this steady rhythm. 4, breathing 5, in warmth 6, and positivity, out, gratitude 3, and love. 4, 5, 6. Exhaling any tension, 3, any negative thoughts. 5, 6. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful 6. Work. Keep out, going. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out, 2. Stay with the breath. 4, we're almost 5, there. 6, in, 2, deep inhales. 4, 5, 6, out. Let it go on the exhale. 4, 5, 6, in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Staying completely present with each inhale and each exhale. 5, 6, out. Feeling the bliss of every breath. 4, 5, 6. In, 2 more breaths. 4, 5, 6. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. Last breath. 4, 5, 6. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's take one more breath together, in through the nose and let it out through the mouth with a sigh. Well done. You've just done some powerful breath work. Now allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Notice how you feel now. Balanced, calm, at peace. This is the power of connecting with your heart through your breath. Thank you so much for joining me on this heart coherence journey. If you've enjoyed this practice, please like, share, and subscribe for more sessions like this. Remember, you can lie here for as long as you need, and your heart and your breath are always here for you when you need them. Sending you so much love and light. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you soon.